Okay, so I'm going to show you two questions where it's outright similar because the question already say that they are similar. And they didn't even ask you to prove. Okay, so they talk about area. So you might want to stand by your formula first. Okay, stand by your formula because you know that it's similar and they are dealing with area. Okay, so they give the dimension and then XYZ is 9 centimeters square. And we are trying to find out this area. So if you want to fit into the formula, you can try to label yourself. So maybe I'm going to label this as A1. I'm going to label this as A2. And then this will be L1. And then this will be L2. So it's your choice how you want to label. So once you label, you put it inside your formula. So if you want to find A1, okay, you square the ratio first, and then you can cross multiply. So you can square the fraction, and then you cross multiply. So you get a 16. So triangle ABC is 16 centimeters square. So usually you can decide. So in the same thing, if the next one, we don't see a triangle, but we already see, actually, I think this one, I may forgot to type in the word similar. So the two pentagon, hexagon are considered similar. Okay, so the bigger one is 166. So we are trying to find the smaller one. So again, it's your choice. Which one do you want it to be? A1, A2, L1, L2. So you decide for yourself. Write down the formula and you decide for yourself which one is A1, which one is A2. So I write out the formula. I'm supposed to find my A1. My A2 is 166. My L1 is 6 over 8 with a square. So punch calculator for the squaring. You will get 9 over 16. So from here, you cross multiply. So my cross multiplication gave me this area. And the question says 1 decimal place. So give it to 1 decimal place. So you choose to assign your own A1, A2, and L1, L2. So that is presuming the figure or the triangles are already similar. You don't need to prove. But of course, there are questions that involve you to prove.